Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on a PS3. First, connect your PS4 controller to your PS3 console using a standard USB cable. The PS3 will typically recognize it as a generic USB device, allowing for immediate wired gameplay. This simple plug-and-play method is the quickest way to get started, offering basic functionality for many games right away. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few seconds to set up. For wireless play, you will need to pair the controller via Bluetooth. Go to your PS3 XMB menu, select Accessory Settings, then Manage Bluetooth Devices, and choose Register New Device. On your PS4 controller, simultaneously hold down the Share button and the PS button until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. Your PS3 should then detect a wireless controller. Select it to complete the pairing. This allows for untethered gameplay. It is important to understand some compatibility limitations. The PS button on your PS4 controller will not function as a home button on the PS3. Additionally, advanced features like rumble feedback and motion sensing might not work in every game. For certain titles, a wired connection may be necessary to ensure all available functions operate correctly. Also, the PS3 may not accurately display the PS4 controller's battery life. To enhance your gameplay experience, always keep your PS4 controller fully charged, especially for longer sessions. If you encounter any wireless connectivity issues, using a long USB cable for a wired connection can provide a stable alternative. Experiment with various PS3 games to discover which ones offer the best compatibility and feature support. For those seeking full functionality, exploring third-party adapters designed to bridge the gap between the two consoles might be a beneficial option.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.